Assalamualaikum and greetings to everyone. My name is Rashidin bin Idris. Today I'm presenting a paper entitled Contextual Moderator of STEM Career Interests, Gender, Socioeconomic Status and Locality. This presentation highlights how contextual factor may shape student career interests beyond psychological factor alone. STEM career interest is not determined solely by student ability or academic performance. Previous studies suggest that psychological and contextual factors both play important roles in shaping whether students pursue STEM pathway. This raises an important question. Why do students with similar academic profile still differ in their interest toward STEM career? One possible explanation is that contextual conditions, especially gender, socioeconomic status, and locality, may account for this variation. This argument is supported by previous studies such as Chan et al. And So and Eger, which show that student STEM-related development is influenced by broader social and educational contexts. The main issue in the literature is that contextual factors in STEM interest research are still not fully understood. Although gender, socioeconomic status, and locality are frequently studied, they are often examined in isolation. In many cases, these variables are treated only as control variable or direct predictors, rather than as factors that may shape the strength of psychological influence on STEM career interests. As a result, an important gap remains. Existing literature has not purely explained how this contextual factor condition the psychological pathway that lead to STEM career interests. This is why a contextual moderation perspective is important. The first contextual factor is gender. Gender should not be understood merely as a demographic category. Rather is a socially constructed framework shaped by norms, stereotypes, and expectations. This gender expectation influence whether students feel that belong in STEM environment. They also shape student confidence in their STEM ability and their long-term aspiration. In this sense, gender may strengthen or weaken the influence of psychological factor on STEM career interests. This means that students with similar internal strength may still differ in STEM aspiration because gender experience shape how those strengths are interpreted and expressed. Socioeconomic status as a moderator. The second contextual factor is socioeconomic status or SES. Socioeconomic status reflects structural inequality in educational resources, parental support, and access to STEM enrichment opportunity. Students from higher SES background often have greater exposure to STEM pathway, mentors, and role models. They are also more likely to have access to books, technology, tutoring, and supportive networks that help convert psychological strength into career interests. In contrast, lower SES may constrain STEM interests even when students have the necessary ability and motivation. Therefore, SES may moderate whether strengths such as self-efficacy are translated into concrete STEM aspiration. Locality as a moderator. The third contextual factor is locality. Locality refers to a way a student grow up and attend school. This shape the educational infrastructure, mentorship, and STEM pathway available to them. Students in urban contexts often have greater access to well-resourced school, STEM club, and university pathway. Meanwhile, students in rural settings may face few qualified teachers, limited extracurricular STEM exposure, and reduced career visibility. Because of this difference, locality may either strengthen or weaken the relationship between psychological factor and STEM career interests. In other words, even when students have similar strengths, the local context may influence whether those strengths are supported or constrained. Overall, the central argument of this presentation is that psychological factors do not exert uniform effect across all students. Factors such as personality traits, cognitive variables, and self-efficacy are important, but their influence depends on the contextual condition surrounding the student. STEM career interests should therefore be understood as the result of interaction between psychological factor and contextual moderator. In this framework, gender, SES, and locality create distinct STEM conditions that shape how strongly psychological factors related to career interests. This helps explain why students with similar internal potential may still differ in their inclination towards STEM career. To summarize, each contextual factor plays a distinct role. First, gender shapes social norms, stereotypes, self-efficacy, STEM aspiration, and science identity. Second, socioeconomic status determines student access to resources, mentorship, and opportunity that help transform psychological strength into STEM interests. Third, locality defines the quality and breadth of STEM pathway, infrastructure, and educational support available to students. Taken together, these three factors provide a more comprehensive explanation for difference in STEM career interests. In conclusion, gender, socioeconomic status, and locality are not peripheral variables. They are meaningful contextual moderators that shape student STEM trajectories. This factor influence confidence, aspiration, access, and opportunity in STEM education. Their moderating roles help explain variation in STEM career interests beyond psychological predictor alone. This has important implications for education because policymakers and educators should pay greater attention to contextual inequality if they wish to broaden STEM participation and support more inclusively STEM development. Thank you.